In this video, I'll show you how to add icons. To add icons, you'll need the CDN link for the icon you want to use. You can find this on Turn2Web help or search for it on Google. Turn2Web supports icons in formats like this, including Font Awesome, Remix Icons, and Boxicons. Let's add Boxicons. First, copy the CDN link. Then go to Custom CSS, click Head HTML, paste the link here, and save it. Now let's preview. Let's change this services card icon. Go to Update with Form. Click Services section. Click this Edit button. Copy the icon code and paste it here. Now save it, refresh the tab. We have updated the card icon. By default, Bootstrap icons are included and can be used without adding a CDN link. We also support Google Icons. Simply copy the CDN link, paste it into Custom CSS under Head HTML, and save it. Now you can use any Google icon you want. Let's take this one as an example. Scroll down, copy the link, and paste it here. In Turn2Web, Google icons need to be written like this, so change it to this format before using. Now save your changes and refresh the tab. Boom! The Google icon has been added. Just like that, you can add any icon you want. Users are responsible for ensuring the proper licensing of any CDN links they add.